Earthworms have long, thin bodies covered by wet skin. Tiny Keti hairs cover their invertebrate bodies. A clitellum wraps around the body's middle. This ring is used in mating. Earthworms crawl in warm, wet soil. Some live close to the soil surface. Others dig deep burrows in the dirt. Earthworms hide from enemies under rocks, logs, and dead leaves. Earthworms make their meals from dead plants. They also eat the remains of animals. They swallow soil and small rocks to grind their food. Earthworms have no teeth.
Earthworms mate in spring and summer. Adult worms wrap eggs inside a cocoon on the ground. Eggs hatch in a few weeks or months. Most earthworms live 1 to 5 years.
Each earthworm has 5 hearts. Earthworms breathe through their skin. 1 million earthworms or more can live in 1 acre, 0.4 hectare, of land.